Hey guys, this is Saurav and you watching the Watch Dogs Try. In this video we are simply talking about how to get the Pixel Android P look in your Android smartphone, any Android smartphone. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now you need the three applications to get the Android P appearance. So first, to go to your Play Store and type in the address bar Flick Launcher. After typing the Flick Launcher, just remember the icon of the Flick Launcher. I'm already installed it. I'm not going to install right now. And we remember the icon of that. Now we move to the second application. The second application is the Power Shed. POWER Power Shed. Again, you remember the power icon of this Power Shed to customize your notification bar. And last one is the icon pack. I'm using the Pixel UI icon pack. So you simply simply type the Pixel UI icon pack. So I'm already installed all three applications. I'm simply going back to my Flick Launcher. So going back and simply open the Flick Launcher. Then all settings is pre-default. If you need to customize their icon and layouts, simply hold the screen button and go to the setting of Flickr Launcher, and you do the lots of customization is here right now. Okay, you use the layout setting, Flick integration, layout, app shortcut. First we go to Flick integration. First we go to layout, and you try to enable your immersive modes, disable the notification, and lots of many more options is here. And simply going back and go to the drawer setting. You set the drawer setting is 5:5 drawer setting. Use the Android P search bar style and change grid size 5:5 and press OK. Now you do also change your icon size. Change icon size approximately 80%, just 70%, and go back. Again go back and set icon theme as a pixel icon pack, which gives the rounded shape pixel icon. And down icon size, here icon size is 70%. And go back. There is a lots of many more options. Dock setting, change the search bar style, change the search bar color. I'm recommended you don't change any default setting. You use the default setting as well as. So you also use the security setting. You also use the GADGET setting. Go to the GADGET setting. And doing the lots of option is here. After doing all these steps, we move to the second application. This is that is a Power Shed application. How do you customize your notification bar just like the Android P? So go to the Power Shed application. They still the Power Shed application not running yet. So first we go to the settings and go to the additional settings and go to the accessibilities. Just wait, I'm typing the code. And go to the Power Shed application and turn on the security enable and go to the settings. And now you see the Power Shed is now running. Just slide up to down. You look like there is a Android P notification bar here right now. So there is a video of this quick video of the how to get the Android P appearance in your smartphone, in any other smartphone. And there is a lots of configuration option is here. You handle the configuration is here, and you use the layout option, color option, and extras. So this is simply a video about the how do you get the Pixel Launcher. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the next video. So tata, bye bye.